This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by preparing the hardware and initiating pairing. Make sure the case has some charge and your phone's Bluetooth is on. You want the device unlocked so prompts appear immediately. Once done, open the AirPods Pro case lid and hold it next to your device. This triggers the pairing flow. If pairing doesn't start, press and hold the small setup button on the case back for 2 to 3 seconds until the LED flashes. This forces discovery mode so your device can find them. You will now complete the connection and configure behavior. Tap Connect on the device's prompt and follow the short setup. This registers the AirPods with your account for automatic device switching. Make sure to enable automatic ear detection so audio routes correctly when you wear them, and opt into spatial audio if you want immersive sound. Next, go into Bluetooth settings to customize the force sensor actions. Choose Noise Control or Siri for each ear. You're ready to use them and keep them working well. Fit the correct silicone tip for a secure seal. This improves active noise cancellation and bass response. When not in use, return AirPods to the case to charge and protect them. Clean ear tips and mesh gently to avoid audio issues. If you experience pairing or audio problems, reset by placing both AirPods in the case. Hold the setup button for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white. Repair to your device afterward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.